Hi. Welcome to Technoble Hub. If you are new to my channel, press the red button to subscribe, give a like and share with your friends.
Now, a day's social media is everything. So the platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta and Twitter. To have a profile picture. Watch until end of this. If you want to know.
Go to gallery. Today in this video we edit carryminati this photo. Okay, what's your opinion about him? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, let's going back. Click on Play Store. Simply search profile pic. Okay, now it is already in my phone, so I will open it. Just take a time for loading. Now you can see this interface. Click on choose photo, select the photo, now click on save and share. Then download it.
How to remove watermark from the video.
Thank you for watch this video. And also thanks those guys who subscribed to my